Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can customize the edge lights on the Motorola Edge 50 Pro. So the first thing that we need to do is go to the settings. In the settings we want to choose display and then go to edge lights over here. Now in the bottom left corner over here we have the setting icon, and of course we need to make sure that the edge lights are enabled if you want to use them. So we can tap on the slider in order to enable or disable them. Tap on the settings icon over here. Now here we can customize the edge lights. We can choose the color. Over here we also have the preview. We can switch between incoming call, alarm, and notification, and we can see the changes over there. We can also decide when should the lights be displayed, so we can choose all these three options. We also have lights behavior, so we can show at full brightness when the screen is facing down. We can only show when the screen is facing down, so if we want that, then we can turn this on or off. And we can also turn off these edge lights between different period of time. So we can choose when should this be enabled and when should be this disabled. I mean, over here we can choose the turn off period. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.